Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing JEE Advanced 2021. This is question number 9 and 10 from paper 2. This question is actually a paragraph type in which answer is to be given in numeric form. Question says f1 0 comma infinity to r and f2 0 comma infinity to r be defined by f1x is equal to 0 to x continued product of t minus j power j, where j varies from 1 to 21 dt x greater than 0, and f2 is equal to 98 x minus 1 power 50 minus 600 x minus 1 power 49 plus 2450 comma x greater than 0. Then mi and I respectively denote the number of points of local minima and number of points of local maxima of functions fi. I is equal to 1 comma 2 in the interval 0 comma infinity. Then we have to find what are the values of m1 n1 and m2 and n2. Okay, let us see how to do this. To find m1 n1, I will differentiate this function f1x, which is differentiable, and this differentiation will be done by use of Newton-Leibniz formula. So it will be continued product for j from 1 to 21, and here it will be x minus j power j. This means actually x minus 1 power 1, x minus 2 power 2, and so on, x minus 21 power 21. Now we know maximum minima occurs where f dash changes its sign. Now all these terms which are having even power on it, they will not be changing the sign of derivative of f1x. So I will only consider those points where powers are odd or where derivative will change the sign. So if I start writing these numbers, so they are 1, then 3, 2 I have ignored because it is having even power, so there will be no change of sign at x is equal to 2. So 1, 3, 5 and so on up to 21. Now if we start from the right hand side, there will be plus sign, then minus. After 19 it will be plus, and then so on and so on. So you can see 21 will be point of minima because sign is changing from minus to plus. 19 will be point of maxima, and so on and so on. Now from 1 to 21, total odd numbers are 11 in number. Okay, and from right hand side if we start, it is starting with minima. So the number of minima will be 1 more than the maxima. So here m1 will be equal to 6 and n1 will be equal to 5. Okay, now they are asking 2m1 plus 3n1 plus m1 n1. 2m1 means 12, then it will be 15 plus 30. So if we total it, we get this to be equal to 57. So answer for this question will be 57. Now coming to 10th question. Here we are talking about f2 function. So if we differentiate f2 function, d upon dx of f2 will be 98 into 50, that is 490, x minus 1 raised to the power 49 minus 600 into 49 into x minus 1 raised to the power 48. We can take 490 common. We can also take x minus 1 power 48 common, then it will be x minus 1 minus 60 only. So this is even power, and here we get one critical point as x is equal to 61, at which sign of f2 dash will change, and it will change from negative to positive. So this is the point of minima. So here you can see m2 is 1 and n2 is 0 because there is no point of maxima. So here 6m2 plus 4n2 plus 8m2 n2 will be equal to 6 only. So answer for this question will be 6. So this completes the solution for this question. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more solutions. Bye.